I just finished chapter 71 or 72 of Malice, and I extended my drive home by 20 minutes because I needed to hear the rest of this chapter. I needed it, and it is so intense. And when I tell you that John Gwynn's writing is like the most intense writing, I know that everybody loves the Sanderlanche, and I know that Joe Abercrombie is like really popular for how he writes battle scenes, but I genuinely think the way that John Gwynn writes battles, you can smell the blood, you can hear the weapons clashing. It is like you are there, and it's phenomenal. Top tier. I am loving Malice. It's so good.